Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Ring doorbell from your account. A quick and easy process for 2025. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the Ring app on your phone and tap the name of the doorbell you want to disconnect, like front door. At the bottom of the screen, tap Device Settings. Scroll down and tap General Settings. Then at the bottom of the menu, tap Remove this device. That's it. Your Ring doorbell is now removed from your account. Perfect if you are selling it or just switching device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 smart home tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.